So finishing off number 13, we've got Nails Ink. And that's a beautiful colour. I have this already, as you can see on my nails. Then we have number 14. Number 14 is Larry King. He is, read what this says. Larry King is a social life to hair. Oh, look at that. Let's introduce you to one size fits all. Larry King is the social life to the hair. Whether you have short, long, curly, straight, thick, fine, supercharged cream, it's made for you. An everyday hero that can define and smooth and shine. So that's really good, isn't it? We'll come down a bit. Number 15. Then we've got Seaweed Lashes. Oh, I've got the Seaweed Lash mascara. So I'm quite looking forward to those. Look at those. Don't they look beautiful? Big and bold lashes. Tick. Get your hands on the selection of the perfect shaped, weightless lashes fixed to flexible cotton band and the curves of the contouring of the eyes. That looks like it's a tripled lash. Best bits, it's easy to apply with tweezers, ideal for beginners. So that's another one. So we have number 16. We're getting near to the end. Verso. So we unwrap the Verso. Verso is Lack of Sleep. Lack in Sleep, a blend of retinol and peptides boosts the collagen and diminishes the appearance of dark circles to hide the fun of the night before. Apply and evening under eye. Apply morning and evening. I missed something. I didn't read it all. So that'll be a good one. So number 17, a heavy one. Oh, we have got the other one. No bathroom collection is complete without the body lotion renewing its refreshing blend of citrus and woody notes. It is drenched thirst skin. It is seriously dedicated scent with jojoba oil and leaves you moisturising for hours. I can never say that word. I won't even try and say it again. Number 18. See what number? Renault. Let's have a look. Oh, I've had one of those before. I haven't seen it for a little while actually, because I get boxes. Let's have a look. I love the containers it comes in. Oh, look at that. Now that is beautiful. It's very beautiful. Find someone who doesn't suit this shade and go on. We want to wait to infuse the gold and silver pearls and lashes to the eyelids. That will be absolutely lovely. Come the party season, that is your best one, I think, so far. Number 19. Let's have a look what we've got in number 19. Number 19 is electric. Oh, it's a perfume. Oh, it's the Monocles number 4. I've got the Monocles number 5 actually. Travel size. Sandalwood Monocles, known as the cold fragrance. It is stripped of all the heaviness, and the result of the warm, cozy fragrance hits a freshness and spritz on the pulse to a point for the best results. Brilliant. Just noticed we're a bit close then, weren't we? Number 20. Let's have a look. Number 20. Oh, Pat McGrath. I love Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath has just had a sale on, by the way, with 30% off. But that's nothing to do with flannel. Something I get sent. Can't get into it. Oh, yes, I can. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can tell it's Pat McGrath. It is package heaven. Look at that. Look at that beauty. It is absolutely beautiful. And you know what? I think I've already got this one. It's the pigments are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I just love Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath and Natasha Denona. And you've got that in this calendar. What more does a woman need? Shut that one out. Put the beautiful lady back in there. So, oh, I didn't read it. Meets the perfect party palette for 4 ultra blending, shimmering shades, glide on your eyelids, weightless texture, intense colour, long-lasting formulas. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't think I'm going to be able to get her back in. Oh my god. I don't want to mess my calendar up. Revive. I tell you, they're squeezed in, and most of these are actually full-size products. Revive. Dry lips, no more. I believe this is quite an expensive lip balm. Yes, it is, if I remember rightly. Dry lips, no more. This Ultra Balm featured cooling metal applicator glides onto the lips, leaving a hydrating, smooth, but